Read Your Body is a menstrual cycle app that supports you to live in balance with your body, improve your health, and meet your family planning goals. It's highly customisable with total data privacy. The app has recently undergone a beautiful design upgrade. In this video, we take you on a tour of some key changes and new features. So, let's jump in. The first thing to note is that we now have gear icons scattered throughout the app. Wherever you see a gear icon, there's a customisation option that you can access. For example, here in the data screen, you can tap the gear icon to choose what you'd like to track. Toggle items on or off in the list and drag to reorder them as you please. This determines what you see in your data screen for daily inputting. You can also do the same in your chart screen. Tap the gear icon to choose what you'd like to see. Only items that you're already tracking will be available for display on your chart. Use the tabs here to switch between your data settings and your chart settings. And again, you can do the same in your stats screen. Choose which stats items you'd like to see and which kinds of averages or ranges. Now back in your data screen, you'll also see lots of gear icons next to the data items that you can customise. For example, here next to temperature, you can tap the gear to enable time taken, temp drop integration, and more. And back here next to fluid, you can tap the gear icon to edit your fluid categories, their names, colours, and icons. Sensation can also be fully customised with up to 4 categories. And for cervix, we've added tilt as a new option. Within intimacy, you can choose whether you wish to see barriers, withdrawal, and insemination in the app. If not, then you're using NFP mode. If you choose to see all intimacy options, then you'll notice that we've added a few new ones per user requests. Within custom info, you can now choose to hide lines from your data screen that you're no longer actively tracking. These will still display on your old charts though if you choose. When it comes to orientating yourself to the app's many features, you'll see we now have info icons throughout the data and settings screens. Tap any info icon to learn more about the corresponding data item or settings option. And if you get stuck, we're always here to help. Simply go to Menu, Support, Contact Us to send us a message. A couple of other important changes to note. Here in the chart screen, we now have a pen icon which you can tap to edit your chart details. Add a cover line, note your method and charting goal, restart numbering if you're postpartum, and, this is new, add cycle notes which appear on your chart export image. These are like a journal entry for your entire cycle. Over in the stats screen, you'll also see some new icons. Tap the filter icon to exclude any cycle from your averages and ranges. Tap the chart icon to view that cycle chart. And finally, a neat new feature that many of you have been waiting for. Dark mode is here. To enable it, simply go to Settings, Display Options, Dark Mode. And that's it! Check out our other app tutorial videos for more helpful info, and in the meantime, happy charting!